In this video, we will discuss about how to make the bar graph. We have the employee ID column, name column, and we have the actual sales. To make the bar graph, we select the employee name column and the actual sales column. After selecting the column, we have to go here in the insert tab function and go here in the bar graph function. And we have the different bar graph formats. So select the first one and place it in the proper column or place it in the worksheets to make it presentable. Now I minimize it, and after placing it in a proper way, I just need to change the chart title. So I select the chart title and remove the title, and you can make the chart title as per your own need. So I select the performance and chart. I write the performance chart. Now we have the different formats available above. I only need to move the cursor and you can see the reflection. We have the different options as well below. We can select from any format. I select this one format. After selecting the format, you can see the changes in the bar graph. If you need further changes, you can click on plus and the further options will be available here. In this option, we have the data label. You can see the reflection of the data labels if you want to write here, or if you want to add data labels, so you can. We have the different options further, like data table, so you can see the changes of the data table as well. We have the error bar, we have the legend column in which you can see the different changes of the different option. You can make the changes as per your need, or you can make the changes as per the need of your organization. Now, after completing the bar graph, we can test our formula by changing the value like 5000. So you can see the reflection in the chart as well. If I again change the value, so you can see the changes as well. This is how we can make the bar graph. We only need to make the changes in the data. The bar graph will adjust according to the changes. This is the simplest way to make the bar graph.